Hey, if your case is not charging of the Sony WF-1000XM5 and you are using this standard connection with the USB-C cable, you can try another method of the charging. So we have to put both earbuds inside the charging case. And now you have to actually try with the wireless charger. Just close the case with the both earbuds inside, put it on the charging case, and now check if this indicator actually lights up. If it works, it means that you can still charge your case with this wireless method. But if the wireless method is not working and the wired method is not working, unfortunately there is no magic spell, no magic button that we can actually press and fix this issue. I mean, you can try to perform the hard reset by using this button, but in the most cases there's actually some big issue inside, and you should actually take advantage of the warranty, or if you don't have the warranty, you can try to, for example, buy the new case or buy the new earbuds. That's the ultimate way. But yeah, just try this method with the wireless charger and tell me if it works. Right now, please leave a like under this video and subscribe to my channel.